Hi guys, so this is Grace again and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Every couple has a story, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So, for today's video, we are here at La Playa Beach Resort, and my husband is been there in the restaurant, and we already take Virgil there in the school this morning, and it's already 7:45. And I just walk here, do my morning walk because I'm not been having my exercise. Been 2 days now, I'm not even do my workout. So I was enjoying the ocean view here. It's high tide and also there's no rain in the morning. There's no rain this morning, and there's a lot of people here walking also. It's really nice in here. You can see also the beautiful mountains there at the back. And they have a lot of cottages on there at the back also, guys, that you can rent. It's really nice in here. So we're been observing our van also, if that noise that we heard yesterday will be come back again, or if we'll come back that noise, we're gonna go to the repair shop here in Vallehermoso. So hopefully everything is okay in our van. We're still waiting for the parts to be arrive here so that we can put, and we let our trusted mechanic that he can go to our house to fix our van, to put that parts, and no need to go to their shop. So it's really nice because he's really a good mechanic. And this is their cottages there at the back, guys, and it's like 300 pesos for one cottage. And then every weekends there's a lot of people in here go swimming, and you can hear the water from the ocean, guys. So it's nice that the weather is good today, because it's been few days now that it's been raining, and we can't even use our solar. So I've been walking 5 minutes now. There's no one there in the cottage right now because it's still early. So maybe later today they will having some guests. It's nice in here. You can feel the nice breeze. And I'm gonna show you guys the view here. So look at that. So I'm gonna switch over my camera. So look at that, guys, how beautiful it is. There's a floating cottage there. That's a floating cottage that you can rent. So nice. Look at the wave and that beautiful mountains. So pretty, guys. Look at that. It's not a lots of stones, and that's their cottages there. So the entrance fee on this beach resort is just 5 pesos. And if you live here in Vallehermoso, the entrance fee is free. It's not really bad. 5 pesos for the entrance. And for the cottage, you can rent it for 300 pesos. And their cottage is bigger, not small. So in the upcoming birthday of my son Virgil, we're thinking that we're not going to that resort that we checked out yesterday in Kinayan Mountain Resort, because the entrance fee is really expensive, and you can pay entrance fee even if you don't go swimming, so it's not really nice. In Lalimar Beach Resort, you cannot pay entrance fee if you not go swimming, so we can save that way. And also the entrance fee is cheaper. It's for the kids, I think it's just 30 pesos, and for the adults is 50 pesos if you go swimming. And they have a nice restaurant there. Their food is good, and the surroundings is very clean, and the atmosphere is very refreshing. And you can go swimming there in the beach and also in the swimming pool, so you have 2 choices. And the other one, you just go swimming in the swimming pool, so there's no beach in the other resort. So we're just thinking about it, and hopefully it will we can have his birthday there, just a simple birthday for him, because right now we're been focusing on buying some inverter for our solar. So it's okay to be simple, at least as long as Virgil is happy. That's what matters most. And I'm still walking here, guys. I love walking, especially near in the beach. There's a bird in there. Beautiful view in here. So the restaurant is not yet open, and my husband just sat there at the open area where they have some tables and chairs. And after here, we're gonna go to the market. I'm gonna buy some vegetables and some meat. There's a lot of seashells in here. Nice stones. So nice stones. I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna put this in my flower vase. It's nice. So I forgot to bring my tripod, but the remote of my tripod is been damaged, so I cannot use the remote and I cannot afford to buy it right now. So maybe couple months I'm gonna order a new tripod. So sometimes it's hard if you have no tripod because you can't even do a full video. So look at that. There's more in here. Oh, there's a crab here, guys. Inside in this hole here, there's a crab. There's more. I saw the crab go inside in this hole here. So cute. Oh, there's the tiny crabs. Look at that guy. Oh, he's been crawling. Look. He's been crawling. There's more here. More. Oh, this one is nice. I don't see a lot of fishing boat this morning. Maybe because of the like the weather, and also the water looks rough. Not really rough, but because I don't see any fisherman or any fishing boat. Normally they have a lot on here. So this that one is their rooms that you can rent overnight, but right now they don't allow the guests to rent because they are renovating the rooms, all rooms there. So maybe it will be more nicer when it's done, when it's finished. So they make it more nicer for the guests. So that's nice because if we have any guests, we have any visitors, our friends will be visiting here, they can stay on here because it's close to our house. And they can enjoy the beautiful ocean view. And they also have a restaurant here near. So it will be nice. It will be when it's finished because it's closer to our house and they have also a nice restaurant here beside. So this is the fishing boat, guys. They put it here. It's really cute. This is where they use for fishing. This is what they're gonna ride when they do fishing. It's cute. And that's the big one there. I think they never use this one because maybe it's damaged. It's been here for a long time already and looks like it's been damaged. So that's the restaurant and it's still closed. So this is where we hang out all the time with my friends on this area here. There's a big tree and there's a lot of shades at the bottom. And you can just relax here. Just bring your chair and just relax and enjoying that view. And it's really nice in here, look. So my husband, he's over there. He's been sitting there. He's been busy chatting with her girlfriends. Girlfriend and boyfriends. Yeah. As long as he's happy, guys, I always support my husband. Oh, there's a smoke there in the mountains. I don't know if you can see, guys, but my phone is almost low. But this phone, I own this for 5 years now, and I'm not even try to buy a new phone. I just want to stick on this phone until it die. I just don't want to buy a new phone. But the problem with this now is I can't hear the volume. The volume is not really as loud as like before, and also the battery won't last long. And also when you charge it, it takes maybe 2 hours to fully charge. This is the one of my problems on this phone now. Maybe because of the age, it's been 5 years now, and maybe it will give up soon. Hopefully not. Because I love this phone. We always got that Oppo brand of phone, because it will last long, even though you it will fall down a lot of times, but it's still a strong phone. So we're still here, and I'm gonna sit down in here. You can sit down in here and just enjoying the view. It's nice. This tree is really nice. So I think that's all for today, guys. I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos and for all the nice comments. Thank you so much for the love and support, and for always being with me, even though I'm not even do videos. I think 4 months now that I'm not been doing some videos. So I really do appreciate all of you for not giving up on me, and I'm gonna do more videos again soon. So thank you so much, guys, for all the love and support and for all the nice comments. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So thank you so much, guys, and God bless us all.